Yeah, so I got to tell you something, Joe. I know we have all this stuff about Jackson Hole and different people talk about taper, not taper. You and I both know that there's some CEOs who really put the wood to people. And I got to tell you, Salesforce was just remarkable. They are taking share, taking names, did an unbelievable quarter. It's another 5 straight quarters of more than 20% growth. It is a juggernaut. And I've got to tell you, it's not being reflected fully enough yet in the stock. It was just a monster quarter. Some companies are doing so well, Joe, and it's because of leadership and teamwork.
Were you familiar with Kioxia and surprised to see Western Digital?
That's a great thing because it would consolidate. Western Digital would be a strong number 2. You'd have Samsung in there. You would have Western Digital. But the most thing that's important is that every time they do consolidation, price goes up. And I think that Micron, this is one of the reasons my Micron was up 4 is that they're the number that, they're like only 15% of NAND, of flash, and they're going to be able to raise prices. So those who are short Micron, which is a considerable number of people, are going to get smoked if this deal goes through. Obviously, there's going to be some people who don't want it to go through because people know it raises price, but it'd be fantastic.
So, Jim, Smucker raised its sales guidance but lowered its adjusted earnings projection because of logistics and raw input costs. Who else would be caught up in that?
Almost every one of these food companies, Campbell Soup had that happen. The gross margins declined 370 basis points at Smucker. All the technology companies we talked to, the gross margins went up. By the way, Doug Yearley, the CEO of Toll Brothers, the gross margins went up. So this is a company that I happen to like very much, but oh my God, gross profit declined 15%, declines in U.S. coffee. That had been pretty good business. U.S. pet down 36%. I read this and I think one thing, buy Chewy.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.